Now today I'm very excited because we've got a video for you that I've wanted to film for a long time. Ever since I've been into pizza ovens, I've always liked the Roccbox from Gozney, and today we've actually got one here. Now, as you may be aware, I own an Ooni Karu, which is a similar size to the Roccbox from Gozney, and today, since we've got them both next to each other, we're going to have a look through the features and compare the two. So the two ovens we have here is the Roccbox on this side and the Ooni on this side. Now, I get a lot of comments in the comments section about which one do I think is best. So I thought we'll make this video and we'll compare the two. We'll look through some of the features that they both have, some of the pros, some of the cons, and then we're going to fire up the Roccbox and do a pizza cook to show you how it performs. So first things first, let's look at the cost of these ovens. Now, the Roccbox comes in at $399. Now that's just for gas. If you want it dual fuel, which means you get this wood burner and this gas burner, that's $499. Now the Ooni starts at $299, so that's £100 cheaper, but that's for only using it with wood and charcoal. So if you want to use the Ooni with gas, you'll need this extra burner. This is $64.99, meaning that this whole oven setup to use with gas and wood costs $363.99. Another thing I'd like to mention about the price is the Roccbox comes with the pizza peel, whereas with the Ooni one, these are sold separately. So one of the first things I noticed when I picked up both these ovens is how much more the Roccbox weighs. Now, there's good reason for that. The Roccbox has got a dense insulation all around here, and also the stone is 19mm thick, whereas on the Ooni it's 15. Now the benefit of having it insulated like this with a thicker stone is it holds heat better. What you'll find is the oven will take longer to heat up, so rather than maybe 20 minutes like the Ooni heats up in, it'll probably take about 40 to 45 minutes, but once you're cooking pizzas, your heat inside is going to last much longer. It also means that you don't need a door on the front like you do for the Ooni. The Roccbox also comes with this silicone cover. I quite like this because apparently this is quite safe to touch. Once it's hot, you're not going to burn yourself if you accidentally touch this, whereas the Ooni is made out of metal, so it does get quite hot. One handy feature that I do like with the Roccbox is down here you get a built-in thermometer. That's going to help you monitor the stone temperature and know exactly when it reaches the right temperature to cook your pizza. Now, some of the benefits with the Ooni is it's much lighter, so if you're planning to travel with this, it's much easier to pick up and get in the car and take with you. The Ooni also heats up a lot faster. When using the gas, I've had this oven heat up in as little as 20 minutes. And one other feature I like with the Ooni is the fact that this stone comes out. It makes it really easy to clean, whereas in the Roccbox, that's fixed in there. If you'd like to see my full review on the Ooni Karu, click the link above and it'll take you to that video. So we've had a look at some of the features, we've compared the pros and cons of these two ovens. Now we're going to put the gas attachment onto the Roccbox, we're going to fire it up and see how long it takes to heat up, ready to cook our pizza. So these are the two burners that come with the Roccbox. This one's the one for wood. You stick your wood in here and the flames come out the top. Now these burners attach underneath the oven, which I'll show you in just a sec. Because today we're not going to use the wood burner, we're going to use this one, the gas burner. Now these burner attachments go in here at the bottom of the oven, and it makes it really easy to swap whether you're cooking on gas or charcoal. And that locks into place. So whilst our oven's heating up, I just wanted to talk a little bit about this wood-fired burner that comes with the Roccbox. Now, we borrowed this Roccbox off a friend, and this is the old style of log burner, which I think a few people had problems getting it up to temperature using this one. It's worth mentioning that Roccbox now comes with a new and improved version of this, which apparently is much better and much more efficient when using wood fire. So we've had the oven heating up now for 30 minutes, and as you can see from the gauge on the side, it's almost there but not quite. So it definitely takes longer than the Ooni to heat up. That Ooni I've had heated up in about 20 minutes, so I think this one is realistically going to take about 40 to 45 minutes, but you know, we'll keep it going. We're in no rush. One thing to note with this silicone, on here it says it's like touch safe for when it's hot, but let me tell you, this thing's up to temperature and there's no way you can touch that. That's boiling. I think it means rather than being able to put your hand on it, if you were to graze your arm on it or something like that, it's not going to cause lasting damage. Right, it has been 45 minutes and as you can see, this is in the red, so we're ready to start cooking our pizza. Okay, so we've got our cheese and tomato pizza here, just a simple pizza. The oven is up to temperature, so we're going to do a real-time cook on the Roccbox and see how this oven cooks the pizza. So we're hoping that this pizza should take around 60 seconds to cook. The oven's up to about 450 to 500 degrees, so that's going to bake the bottom of the pizza while the flame's going to roll over the top and cook the top of the pizzas. You can see that crust's bubbling up nicely there.
Oh, steamy.
Oops, my lens is steaming up, one sec. Right, I'm going to take it out and turn it now. Oh god, I nearly dropped it then. Set it back in. Look at the way that cheese is grilling on the top there, it's making some nice marks. That crust is looking great as well. We'll just do this final side and then we'll lift it up and check the base. Alright, brilliant, there you go. Just need some basil on this now. So we're going to check the underneath. You can see you should get some nice colour there on the bottom. That's from the heat from the stone, and then those flames rolling over the top is what cooks the cheese on the top there. I'm impressed, that's brilliant. Well, that was my review of the Roccbox pizza oven. I hope you found it useful. Overall, I think it cooks a very similar style pizza to the Ooni, and there's very little between these two. One thing I do like is the fact that it's insulated. That means if you're cooking lots of pizzas, say for a party or something, it's not going to drop the stone temperature, which I find sometimes does happen on the Ooni. Some of the reasons I prefer the Ooni, however, is because it's much lighter, it heats up a lot faster, and to be honest, I've cooked on an Ooni for many months and always had good results. Thanks very much for checking out this video. If you did like it, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and we'll see you in the next one for more pizza making videos.